Alright, I'm back. It's been a while. I've been super busy with work. Got a lot of things cooking up, but today we have my sister's car. She was nice enough to let me borrow it. And we're off to Protective Film Solution for their annual car show, which should be pretty crazy considering last year's. It's about an hour away, and I'll cut to the video when we get there. I decided to stop and get some meat at In-N-Out. Look how casual it is. An R8 CLS 63 and Huracan without a bumper and a massive wing. Bit ricer, but you know, it is what it is. This is the OC. Alright, we're finally here. We made it. Alright, so this is the starting grid. Got a really nice GT in black. Check this out. They even have old school cars. Like old school cars, no problem. Looks so sick. Oh. What's going on? Look at everybody running like zombies. Check this out. It's a rev off over here. Let's see what they do now. Sick Martini 918. Damn, look at this interior. It even has the gloves. Nice. Alright, check out this lineup. We have a Porsche 918 over here, a GT40, another 918 with a sick livery. We have a Ventador S, STS in white. Nice. Garage goes fishing. Alright, believe it or not, not a lot of people know this, but they do make a Lamborghini SUV. You can't see inside, but I tried, guys. Got a nice little Italian accent. I don't know. For around $350,000, would you get this? If you could. Very Performante. We have a Diablo, and we have an EB110 Super Sport. I'm not too sure exactly on how many there are, but they are pretty limited. This guy actually owns another Super Sport, but a Veyron Super Sport. And a COK GTR Super Sport. Mauler. Check out this wrap. This looks so badass. I want to learn how to do one of these wraps. McLaren. Alright, kind of backward. Okay. Borsteiner. P1. Casualty. This wrap on this P1. Dream car. Credit GT over here with some smoked tail lights. Pretty surprised you've seen people mod these. But one of the best sounding V10s over here. Performante. Some Raptors. I'm trying to figure out where the main entrance is to get inside, but I have no idea, so I'm just kind of walking around and hopefully I'll run into it eventually. Alright, so I found the line, but it is extremely long. But I am going to sacrifice myself to get some of that good content. So this is what's inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Bugattis. And not to mention there's a one-off Bugatti Vision GT with the P1 GTR. So out of all these Bugattis, which one would you take? Would you go for the one-off edition Vision GT, fastest production car in the world, for the two last Koenigsegg Agera RSs ever produced? We have Mikey's Huayra BC straight pipe. Look at how low this Bugatti is, or how close it is to touching the ground and scraping. That close. Alright, we just had a Porsche 918 Teeny. Ooh, the Martini edition. He's gonna rev it. No, he's not. It's all good. Still looks really good just driving. Is he gonna cold start it? Hold on. Who's in the spring wheel back? How the season So they did lower the windows actually on this Lamborghini Urus. And let's check out the interior, the Lamborghini SUV.
Got my business card.
Ooh, I see everybody running to this show now. I'm gonna run to it too. Well, not run, but I'm just speed walking. Ooh, it's revving. This guy's rushing for the content. And this is what a cold start on a Bugatti causes. All these people show up just to get the footage. Is he coming down? Is he going? What is he doing? See any quick pulls? This guy just did a burnout down there. He's a cop right here. He does not care. He's getting paid to just park here. And then we have Chiron being loaded up. Pretty good car show. Got some solid pictures, and just have to get home and edit this video and upload it. Alright, so that's a wrap with this video. Car show's pretty good. Not that many cars really even do any cool pulls, but somebody did do a burnout, but it was like a block down, so I didn't really get it. So other than that, stay tuned for next video. Should be pretty crazy. It's a PML quick strike. Not gonna give too many details, but I'll try to start uploading some more. Let me know what you guys think of the video, some feedback. I'd really appreciate it. Show some support to the channel, and that's it. See you next time.